Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for the AP Pre-Calculus exam. To begin, familiarize yourself with the test structure. It typically consists of two main sections, multiple choice and free response. Knowing the format helps you strategize your approach. Also, understand the four core units covered, which include polynomial, rational, exponential, and trigonometric functions. This foundational knowledge is crucial for effective preparation and achieving a strong score. Next, dive deep into content review. Revisit your textbooks, class notes, and any online resources to solidify your understanding of core concepts. Pay special attention to areas like function transformations, inverse functions, and complex numbers. Consistent practice with diverse problem types from each of the four units is essential. This active engagement will help you internalize the material and build confidence for the exam. Effective practice is paramount for success. Utilize official College Board practice questions and full-length exams to get a feel for the real test. Crucially, simulate actual exam conditions by timing yourself during these sessions. This helps you manage your pace and endurance. After each practice test, thoroughly review your answers, especially the incorrect ones. Understanding your errors is key to refining your problem-solving strategies and improving your score. As the exam approaches, finalize your preparation. Develop a structured study schedule, ensuring you allocate ample time to review all four units. Prioritize getting sufficient rest and maintaining a balanced diet in the days leading up to the test. Your well-being impacts performance. On exam day, arrive at least 15 minutes early with all required materials, including several sharpened pencils and an approved graphing calculator. Stay calm and confident.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.